Hey everybody, DIY, how's everybody doing? I just want to do a real quick vid because I sort of promised I'd do this. These are a couple of molds that I got off of Leonard, the bench molds, and they're awesome. He does really nice work. I love these legs, the Omega leg they're called. They're so cool. So we got a little bench, a curved bench top here, and then the plane. And what this allows me to do is I can embellish the tops too with some leaf imprints too. It just saves me a bit of time of always making my own molds all the time. So I'll do a quick guns there too, just so you can, just so if the detail shows up a little bit better. I don't know if it's wet, if it looks better for you, but awesome stuff, and really glad that I ordered from Leonard, and really quick. The stuff came really fast and packed nice, and thanks again, Leonard. They look fantastic. Okay, gang, see you later.